Have you ever wondered who owns the ideas that shape our world? Let's dive into the captivating realm of intellectual property. This term encompasses the legal protections bestowed upon the brainchildren of our minds, ideas, inventions, designs, and even works of art. Imagine, if you will, your home, a sanctuary that safeguards your most valuable possessions. You'd naturally protect it with a lock, wouldn't you? Now consider your ideas as a similar precious entity. In the vast expanse of the creative universe, they are your unique contributions, your exclusive intellectual real estate. The lock that fortifies this property, your ideas, is what we call intellectual property laws. These laws, much like a sturdy lock, shield your ingenious ideas from being pilfered. They ensure that your creativity, your innovation, your artistry remain rightfully yours, warding off any potential idea thieves. In essence, intellectual property is the lock that keeps your ideas safe from idea thieves. So how does this lock for ideas work? Well, think of it like a fruit tree. The first type of intellectual property, patents, protect the fruit. Just as a ripe, juicy apple is the result of the tree's growth, a patent safeguards the end product of your creativity and innovation. It ensures that others can't simply pluck your invention or innovation without your consent. Now, imagine you've painted a beautiful picture of this tree or snapped a stunning photograph. That's where copyrights come in. They protect your unique expression of an idea, like the way you've depicted the tree. Finally, we have trademarks. If you've named your tree something special or designed a unique logo for it, trademarks step in to shield that brand identity. They prevent others from using your name or logo to sell their own apples. All these forms of intellectual property protection ensure that the creators get to benefit from their creations. You might ask, why does all of this matter? Well, imagine a race. Every runner has trained hard, each one eager to show their prowess. But what if some runners could start halfway to the finish line? That wouldn't be fair, would it? Intellectual property is like that race. It ensures that everyone starts from the same line with the same chance to succeed. Without intellectual property laws, your hard work and brilliant ideas could be taken and used by others without your consent. These laws foster creativity and innovation by providing protection and incentive for inventors and creators. They motivate us to think, to invent, to push the boundaries of what's possible. Intellectual property is the fuel that drives the engine of progress. It encourages fair competition and fosters an environment where creativity and innovation can flourish. So remember, the next time you come up with a brilliant idea, it's not just yours, it's your property. Treat it as such, as